Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my most recent makeup hauls. I've picked up a few things recently, so I kind of want to show you what I purchased, what to expect. Some of these items I may have already done videos on by the time this video goes up. That's just the way things happen. But I want to unbox everything together with you guys, show you what I got, and see what you guys think. So the first thing that I have here is from Nordstrom. You guys, I'm so excited. Like, I am really excited. So I picked up a new blush and the new concealer. So the blush shade that I got is Sundrunk, and it is gorgeous. I cannot wait to use it. So it has a mirror, it has a little plastic covering, and then you've got the two blush shades. So this is shade number 5, Sundrunk. I'm in love. Love, love, love. Now I haven't used it, so I can't tell you how it performs, but I do have it and I am loving it. So the next thing I picked up is a concealer. Now, I am a little bit concerned that this concealer is going to be a little dark for me. I picked up shade 3W1 Golden. And I'm going to be honest, I'm a little nervous. So here it is. I love the packaging. But I think it's going to be a little dark. So here it is. And it might work right now, but it's not going to work much longer, let me tell you. So I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know what to do. But I picked both of these up at Nordstrom. So I have them. I will be doing video on each of these very soon. I just haven't got there yet. The next thing I picked up was from Chantecaille. So I picked up the 2 new eye shades. So this is the Leopard, and then this is Tiger. So the Tiger is a beautiful green. I have not opened these yet, you guys. So this is gonna be a first. Wow, the packaging is gorgeous. Gold packaging with the Tiger on it. And then there's the green. So this is a Regal Emerald. And then the next one is Leopard, and it's like a bronze color. It is a wild bronze. So I ordered these and they just came in the mail. So I got these again from my friend Lisa, who does work at for Chantecaille. And she works at the Neiman Marcus store here in the suburbs of Chicago. So I went ahead and picked these up from her, and I cannot wait to use them. I did also get one of their new lip cheeks, and this is in shade Lantana. I think that's how you say it. I really, really like the packaging of this. I love it. It is magnetic, and it's just like a nude, pinky nude. So there it is. And I love these formulas. Of all of the Chantecaille lipsticks, these are definitely my favorite. They're so hydrating and beautiful. I just love them. So those were the first 2 hauls that I got, again from Nordstrom and Chantecaille. Everything else is from Macy's. So Macy's had a sale either last weekend or a few weeks ago, and it was 15% off of their beauty. And so I made a purchase online. That item, everything is here in this box. And then I also did an in-store purchase, because if you purchase in store, the Chanel is 15% off. So we're going to save the Chanel to the very end, and we're going to open up the goodies that I placed online. So the first thing that I've got was the new Nars eyeshadow palette in Climax. And this is a 9 palette pan that I think will look really, really pretty for fall. So here is the outside packaging. And then you have a really nice size mirror. And then those are the 9 shadows. So I'm definitely going to do a dedicated video to just this palette. I cannot wait to start playing with it. I've seen other people's videos and the shades are really pretty. And I've got a couple different Nars palettes lately and I have been impressed every single time. So I have no doubts that this palette is going to be exceptional. I picked up a new Tom Ford quad. So this is not a new shade. This is just going to be new to me. And this is in shade Suspicion. That's what it looks like. It's very fall-like to me with the copper and the bronze and the browns. I think it's perfect for fall. So this is Suspicion, and again, not a new quad at all, just new to me. The next thing I picked up is a Nars lipstick. So this is in shade Rose Cliff, and then this is their satin formula. So here is the packaging. It's just like a flat black matte. And then that's just a perfect brownie nude. I mean, oh, I think I'm gonna like that a lot. So I got a new Nars lipstick. I also picked up a Nars Concealer. I have heard wonderful things about this concealer. It gets so hard to pick shades online. Let's see what I got. I got medium 1.25 toffee. So there is the shade. So I think that will probably work really well as like a brightening concealer underneath my eyes. The last 2 items I picked up were from Dior. So I picked up a new Dior Foundation. This is the Forever 24 Wear High Perfection Skin Caring Foundation with Sunscreen. That is a very long name. I got shade 3C Cool. So that is what the bottle looks like. I really love the Dior complexion products. So it's a little bit cool for me right now, but I think in the winter, this shade will work really good. And last but not least is a new eyeshadow quint. So this is shade 649 Nude Dress. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself, but I'm convinced that I'm going to find a Dior quint that I love and can't live without. So we're gonna try this one. So this is Nude Dress. I think that the colors are really pretty, and I'm hopeful that these 2 shades are going to be really pretty. So we will play with this quint, see what kind of looks I can create with this. Now for my Chanel purchases. These are not new, so everything in here is going to be on the older side. The Macy's that I shop at, they don't usually get a lot of the newer Chanel products. So these have all been around a while, but I did want to show you what I got. So I picked up 2 new eyeshadow quads. The first one is in shade 14 Mystic Eyes. So all of their eyeshadows come in this really nice black velvet little pouch. And then you do have the plastic protector along with the applicators, and I'm just going to take those out. So here is Mystic Eyes. It's very neutral, kind of cool with the pink and the browns and the silver. So I'm really excited to play with this. I only have, like, of these quads, I only have 1 other shade. This is not what I picked out. So they gave me 268 Candor Experience, but that's not what I wanted. So this, I'm gonna have to go back and exchange it. I'm really sad. Okay, so this is not at all what I picked out. And so I am going to have to return this because this is not what I wanted at all. So that's kind of disappointing. The next item I picked up is a little bit of skincare. So this is the eye makeup remover. And I had a sample of this and I did really like it. I took it with me on vacation. And so this is the eye makeup remover, which I did really, really like. So I went ahead and picked up a full size while it was on sale. And then the last thing that I picked up is an eyeliner. And this is one of the new eyeliners. This is in shade Ebony, which I think is just black. Maybe a black brown. The shade that I really wanted, they didn't have in stock. So that was, yeah, so that's just a black. It was kind of like a bronzy, kind of brown, copper brown thing that was really, really pretty, but they did not have it. So, all right, so that is everything that I've picked up recently. I did also pick up another shade in these Chantecaille lip cheeks. I just don't have it yet. Like I said, I wanted to show you guys my recent hauls and show you what's going to be coming on, what will be coming in future videos. Let me know down below what you guys are most interested in seeing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.